When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, trust is everything. Homeowners in Worcester consistently turn to Worcester Windows for their replacement needs, not just because of high-quality products, but because of the company's commitment to craftsmanship, transparency, and customer care. Below are the top reasons why Worcester residents continue to choose this trusted local name for their home window replacements. Proven expertise and local experience. Worcester Windows isn't a faceless chain, it's a local company deeply rooted in the community. Their team understands the unique architectural styles, weather conditions, and energy requirements of homes in central Massachusetts. Whether you own a classic colonial or a modern townhouse, Worcester Windows provides tailored recommendations that complement your home's design and perform perfectly in the region's fluctuating climate. This local expertise ensures each project is completed with precision, from helping you select the right window materials to ensuring a flawless installation that maximizes energy efficiency. In compromising product quality, homeowners choose Worcester Windows because they never have to question product quality. The company partners with industry-leading manufacturers to provide durable, energy-efficient, and visually appealing windows that stand the test of time. Whether it's vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or composite windows, every product is built to deliver superior insulation, reduce outside noise, and enhance your home's appearance. The advanced glass technologies used, such as low-E coatings and multi-pane designs, also help lower heating and cooling bills, making Worcester Windows a smart long-term investment. Exceptional workmanship and attention to detail. A window replacement is only as good as its installation, and this is where Worcester Windows truly excels. Their technicians are not only trained and certified but also bring years of hands-on experience to each project. Every installation is handled with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring tight seals, smooth operation, and a perfect fit. Homeowners appreciate the company's respect for their property. Installers leave work areas spotless and take the time to ensure the customer is completely satisfied before calling the job complete. Transparent pricing and honest communication. Trust is built on honesty, and Worcester Windows takes that seriously. From the very first consultation, homeowners receive clear, upfront pricing, no hidden fees, no surprise charges. The team explains every aspect of the project, from materials and labor to timelines and warranties, so customers always know what to expect. This level of transparency, combined with a customer-first approach, has earned Worcester Windows countless repeat clients and referrals throughout the community. Focus on energy efficiency and sustainability. Energy-efficient windows aren't just about comfort, they're about sustainability and cost savings. Worcester Windows offers a wide range of Energy Star-rated products that help homeowners reduce their carbon footprint while cutting monthly utility bills. By improving thermal performance and minimizing air leaks, these modern window solutions keep indoor temperatures consistent year-round. For eco-conscious homeowners, Worcester Windows provides an easy path toward a greener, more energy-smart home. Exceptional warranties and long-term support. Home improvement is an investment, and Worcester Windows protects that investment with industry-leading warranties on both materials and workmanship. This commitment to long-term customer satisfaction means homeowners can rest easy knowing their windows, and the company that installed them, will stand behind their performance for years to come. The company also offers responsive customer support for maintenance questions and service needs, reinforcing its dedication long after the installation is complete. Outstanding customer reviews and community trust. The reputation of Worcester Windows is built on one thing: satisfied homeowners. Consistently positive reviews highlight not only the company's high-quality work but also its professionalism, timeliness, and integrity. Many clients mention how the team goes above and beyond to ensure projects are completed smoothly, even on tight schedules or challenging home layouts. This reputation for reliability and genuine customer care is why so many Worcester residents confidently recommend Worcester Windows to family and friends. Conclusion: homeowners trust Worcester Windows for more than just window replacements. They trust a team that values craftsmanship, honesty, and community. From start to finish, every project reflects a dedication to quality and customer satisfaction that's rare in today's market. If you're considering replacing your windows, Worcester Windows is the name that countless homeowners rely on for dependable service, beautiful results, and lasting value.